Hello students, I want to start your geography class. Today I will discuss about the resources of Assam. Resources of Assam. What are those resources found in Assam? You have already got the definition of resource, that the materials which have utility, functionality, which have the main function, main character of any kind of things like functionality and utility. Those materials are known as resource. Okay? Now you have to know what kind of resources are present in our state. Lots of resources we know it. Water resource, soil resource, forest resource, mineral resource, human resource, man-made resources, all these. Yes or no? But we have to read it accordingly. First, the resources of Assam is mainly divided into two types. Number one, natural resource. Number two, human and man-made resource. First comes to this natural resource. What are those natural resources which are found naturally in our state? What are those? Soil, forest, water, minerals, different types of birds and animals, air, all these are known as natural resources. You know, Assam is actually very rich in natural resources. Huge amount of forest resources found here. Lots of mineral resources like petroleum, natural gas, coal, limestone. These are found available in our state. Okay? Now, human resource and man-made resource. The people which are very active in particular job or in particular works, particular activities. They are known as human resource. Such as the carpenter, barber, teacher, engineer, doctor, farmers, all these are human resources. But those people which are always moving in the street, which have no any thinking ability, that means which are somewhat made, which have somewhat visible brain. They are not known as human resource, which have no any kind of activities. This type of people are not known as human resource. That means the people which have no any activity, the people which have no any contribution to their nation, to their family, they are not known as human resources. Okay? The resources, human resources are those people which are somewhat skillful, somewhat intelligent in some particular activities. Therefore, the people of a nation is known as human resource. Because the development of the nation is totally depend on the human resource of that particular nation. Okay? And we come to this man-made resource. Those resources which are very essential for us, which are created by man. They are known as man-made resources, like the shop, like houses, street, railway line, your computer, pen, pencil, all these things are created by man. So, these are known as man-made resources. Okay? It is very simple. Now, some other different types of resources are found, such as renewable resource and non-renewable resource. You have already got it. I will not discuss about it in this thing, because already you have got it. Renewable resource, those we can renew again and again. And non-renewable resource, those things which we cannot renew it, like petroleum, diesel, gas, natural gas, etc. Yes or no? Forest resource, we can renew it. Soil resource, we can fertilize it again. Therefore, they are renewable resource. Okay? Biotic resource, abiotic resource. These are also found in our state. Biotic resource, abiotic resource. Next, you have seen some like national resource, individual resource, international resource, lots of different types of divisions already we have got there. Okay? Now, we have to discuss about these natural resources which are found in our state. What are those natural resources? There are some particular natural resources only have to study according to your syllabus. What are those? They are land resource, forest resource, mineral resource, and water resource. These four resources we have to discuss. We have to discuss about the availability in our state. So first come to this land resource. What is land resource? Land, surface of our earth. In our crust of our earth, the one portion is land and other portion is water. This land portion is different in different regions. The land portion has no more similarities with one another. Suppose land structure or landform condition of Rajasthan and landform condition of Assam is not same. The landform system of Meghalaya and landform of Assam is not same. That means soil structure, soil condition is not same. It is different. But usually we have seen that the soil condition is always same in everywhere. But actually it is not. Its compositions or soil structure have different in different regions. Okay? Now you see, without soil we cannot live. We utilize this soil portion in different types of activities like agriculture, industrialization, transport and communication, trade and commerce. All these are going on the surface, land surface of our state. We are settling down here. All these are related to soil resource. Assam is very rich in soil resource. We know it. We are living in Assam with two vast river valley region. One is Brahmaputra river valley and other is Barak river. The soil of Assam is divided into 4 different types. What are those? Number 1 is alluvium soil. Number 1 is alluvium soil. Soil resource. Types of soil. One is alluvium. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil. It is formed by the rivers. In the both river valley region, that means Brahmaputra and Barak river valley, the regions, soil of this region are known as alluvial soil, which are created by the Brahmaputra and Barak river and large number of their tributaries. This alluvial soil is very fertile, and this region of soil is very suitable for cultivation of different types of crops. Okay? Next, number 2 is Pediment soil. Pediment soil. You know the meaning of pediment. You know the meaning of pediment. Pediment means foothills of hills and mountains. You know, all around Assam, there are lots of hills and mountains. This soil generally found in the foothills region of hills and mountains. In the foothills areas of Barailands, in foothills region of Meghalaya Plateau, in foothills region of Naga Hills, foothills region of Himalayas mountain, in the side of Arunachal Pradesh. So, in the foothills region, this type of soil is found, which are generally full of rocks and boulders, rocky surface. Okay? Next, number 3 is hill soil. Hilly soil or hill soil. It is found in the hills and plateau areas. There is only hilly region found in Assam, which is known as Barak region. Barai region, Barailands, and one plateau region, which is known as Guardian Mountain. In this region, this type of hilly soil is found in the mountainous or hilly region or in the plateau region. Okay? Number 4 is laterite soil. laterite soil. Laterite soil is found in those areas which region are somewhat in height. In this soil, lots of iron oxide is mixing with. Therefore, the color of the soil is red. Red color type of soil where mixing with iron oxide. These four are the main soil type found in our state. Okay? Now you see, in different types of soil, different types of crops cultivation is going on. In the hilly soil, we can cultivate tea, rubber, coffee, etc. Alluvium soil is suitable for rice and jute cultivation. Piedmont soil is not suitable for any kind of crops. Okay? Because its surface is somewhat full of rocks and boulders. Laterite soil is famous for tea cultivation. Those soil which has lots of iron oxides are found, those soils are very suitable for tea cultivation. So this way, different types of crops are cultivated in different soils of Assam. Assam is very best position. Assam is in best position in soil resource. Okay. Next, I will discuss about the forest resource and mineral resources and water resources. Okay. So, this much is enough for today. I will continue next about the forest and mineral resources. Okay. Thank you.